Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. It's called Pop Clips 2 and is done by a company called SoundPEATS. I have to mention that these guys are phenomenal. This earbuds not only going to give you 40 hours of just pure magic, and on top of that it has an app that you can use so you can take more advantage of this earbuds. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. And on top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. In here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with the stickers, also a little page that will tell you where you can get the app from for your phone. Doesn't matter if it's Android or Apple. It comes with this nice user manual that's have the name, also which model it is, and the picture is really nice. Again, it's really big. It does talk to you about how it is set up, how you can wear it, also what the docking station looks like. There's different languages involved in this, and then you can go through and you can learn more about it inside of this user manual, which is really nicely set up. Now, that's not the only thing. You can flip in the back and it will be in different languages on how you will be able to process. So not only English, but different languages are involved in this. Now it does come with a USB Type-C to regular USB Type-A connection, and this way you can charge it very quickly. The docking station itself is nicely wrapped, so once you take it out, doesn't matter if you have to open it this way or you can just rip the back, and there you go. Very satisfying to take it out. It is really nicely set up. I really like how this is looking. There is a little LED light right in the front with their name written, but this is the docking station. It does indicate here the difference, just like the box had said. And then going in the back, this is the hinge, and then you can charge it right over here. And this is how it really looks. Now, when you open the top, this is how inside of it looks. There is little writings right above over here, but you cannot see it. You can see that it is charged and the little earbuds are sitting inside. So let's just take them out one by one. And you can see those little prongs is where when you put the headset inside, so it will get charged. Now it doesn't have a writing on the top that will tell you right and left, but I'm sure we can figure that out. But once you close it, that's how it sounds. I really like that. So you know that it is closed and you can put it inside of your pocket. Now the earbuds are really nicely set up. It has their name on it. And then once you go around, you have the little ball part that you can set up. This is really cool the way that it has been placed. There is a little part so that way we can open the charging port, and this is how this part has been also created. And I'm just going around it, so there is little spots as you can see right around here, and then the charging port, and then going around there's the little parts. But this is how it really set up, and then the bottom part of it is created this way. Again, we're just going around so I can show you more how this has been done. And then same thing for this side. You can see the prongs in the back or in the bottom where it's going to be charged. There's a little part that will be inside of your ear, and this part will be outside, as you can see, or this goes behind your ear. We will show you exactly how that is done. And then this part is the one that will really give you good bass when it comes to inside of your ear. I really like how this has been designed. Let's go next and hook it up. So here you go. Now it depends on how you want to wear it, but this is how it's supposed to be. Should be a little bit lower, and in this way it sits in. So let's go first and set it up and place it back in the docking station. So for that we have to open, and then you can only put it one way. You can only put it one way. You're not going to make a mistake, and it has a little magnet for it to hook it up and set up properly. And then you will see the light that will go on. That means it has been charging. Now if you do want to charge it, you can grab the wire, and then in the back you have to flip. You can hook it up and it will start charging for you. And that's how easy it is to process it and charge it. Now it doesn't matter if the wire that came with it, or you want to use your phone charger in order to charge it, and very easily you will be able to process the charge. Now we're going to pair the headphones with the phone itself. In order to do that, we will just go into the phone to come out and go into Bluetooth. We will say details, so this way we can see more. I know that I have a lot of things here, but let's just open this up and we will take one out and close. And now it should automatically. And now when you go on the bottom, you will see it, last one on the list. So we will select it, that it is pair. So click on pair and it will get paired like this. So now we will go into settings. So over here, the name is right. Calls and audio is selected. If we go in the bottom part of it, you will see that it indicates to rename. You can disconnect and also unpair this. This is how it's been set up, but we're not done yet. So we will press home. The next thing that I want to mention and process is going to be this one right over here. So we will select on search and then we will go to search in the bottom. Now I'm using Android, by the way. And then on the top, we will search for SoundPEATS. So just have to make sure that you spell it right and it should come out. Now, even if you have the misspelling and then you will go through, you will see that it is already here, but I have not been used it for a little bit. So we will say enable and update. In this way, it gets installed and it's not updated. So it will get us in update. So we process it. I have to mention that this is a free app, so it doesn't cost anything to get it from the Apple Store, or in this case from the Google Play Store. And once it is done, we can say open and automatically opens. You can see that this was the last one that we have added. Let's add this new earbuds that we got. So we will select add and it will take a couple of seconds. You can see that now it is connected and it's just waiting for the update to come up. And now it should say click next and next. And this is, it shows that how you can wear it. And then it will say to update. So we will click on update. Now in this part of the video, we will be recording our voice. There should be a little indentation right here that shows that the voice right now is coming from this camera. It will be switched and going from the phone, basically from the headphones. So I am already wearing it. And now we will start the test without any noise. So when you're on the phone, basically, this is how it sounds. Again, it's really good. It's not bad. I can hear everything around me. But again, now we will put some noise in the background and then we will play it again. And now it has noise in the background. And this is how the sound really grasps using the headphones or earbuds in this case. And we're just trying to process it. You can hear all the background noise plus our own. Again, to me, it sounds really good. So let's just see exactly how it comes out when we are going to place it on the testing bench. And right now it is testing, by the way. What you're going to hear is going to be on the video. So basically, this was our take. Link's going to be available where you can order it from. I want to mention before I go next is that this has a really good sound to it. All the controls are also available on the phone itself, which we already shown you on the app what you can do. And this has very cost effective, but again, it does the job for you perfectly. You can wear it outside. It basically does not have any kind of weight to it when you're wearing it. It looks really slick, and again, it does the job for you perfectly. I would recommend everybody to purchase one. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.